Somebody come pet me, I'm showing you my belly.
See me do my dance in these $1,000 pants. Don't disrespect me and my mans. Bam, whole lot of chops on your ass. Scram.
She's a whore, I love it.
What's poppin'?
Don't mind me just watching.
Because I wanna feel again.
Now from the top, make it drop, that's some wet, that's some wet. Now get a bucket and a mop, that's some wet, that's some wet. I'm talking wop, 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 that's some wet, that's some wet. Macaroni in a pot, that's some wet, that's some wet, huh?
With it, group drop.
She don't see us? You see me?
Yeah. Yes, I see you. You see me?
Hell yeah, I see you. Both of us sitting here looking like two big Barneys. We see each other.
You will not believe the amount of fur that just came out of my dog. So I figured it was time to brush him since he was starting to shed and there was a lot of fur that came out of him. So this is where I'm gonna put his fluff pile and we're just gonna watch it grow. He's already over it. He fills up the brush completely when I brush him. I think he's starting to like it a little bit. More fur. Brushing his belly now. More fur. More fur. Neo, you have so much butt hair. Okay, time to switch brushes. This brush helps a lot with matted fur. Alright, I just flipped him over. Get some combing in. And we're over it. As you can see, he's a lot skinnier now. After about an hour of brushing, this much fur came out of him.
So here's the difference between a pit bull, sunbathing, Willow. Oh, and here I am thinking she was just hanging out in the shade, and really what she... told you what you meant to me. Whoa. 'Cause now I pay the price. And another... Show me more. Show me more. I wanna see. Oh, can you show mommy just a little bit more, Leo? A little bit more. Just a little bit. Just a little bit more. Why are you so cute? Oh, wow. You getting worked up?
Cause you know that baby, I'm your biggest fan. I follow you until you love me. Paparazzi, baby.
Watch how my dog just assumes I'm gonna do something for her. Hey, Bubba. No, but I said nothing, alright?
It was a really hot day today, so I decided to spray my very fluffy dog with a hose. At first he was really confused, but then he just tried to eat the water. He'd even walk right up to the hose and just shove his face right in it. Then when the water hit him, he just gets angry and tries to fight the water. Look, he even pursues the water just to fight it. Then he refused to go inside, and after everything, I dried him off.
Go. Go, 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 go. And into the seatbelt.
I think she's just too bad.
Oh my gosh.
It's like the... He's a little wolfie.
Hey, can you smile for me? Smile. Yay!
Yes, no. Come here, Bush.
Little pug. Oh my goodness.
Embarrassing, you're making him go and collect his car with a big bite out of it.
Right there. No.
Oh my god.
We'll go get it.
Dad, oh my.
Like, I'm just gonna watch me. He's talking like a person.
What? I didn't know I had a cat. You gave me a cat.
Flush dog.
You gotta fix the fence now. To position it to where it's not like. Go get him. Cool.
Alright, now you can get him.
Chip!
Stick. You want it? Here. Here. Gentle. Gentle. Okay.